Hello everyone, welcome back to today's class. In this class I am going to explain theorem 1.2 fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Okay, every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. Okay, and this factorization is unique. Okay, apart from the order in which prime factors occur. Okay, ikkada look at here, 260 is given. Okay, we can write this 260 as a prime factors. Okay, how? 2 into 2 into 5 into 13, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 into 13, you will get 260. Okay, what is the first? Look at here, what is the composite number? The composite number means having more than 2 factors, that is the composite number. So any composite number you can express it as a prime factors. Okay, this is likewise 2 into 2 into 5 into 13. You can also write this 2 square into 5 into 13. Okay, 2 square is nothing but 2 into 2 into 5 here, this one, and 13. And here order is, factorization is unique. Okay, order whichever may be the order, but you will get the same factors only, that is the condition. So 13 into 5 you will get the 65, 65 into 2 into 2 you will get the 260 only. Okay, whatever may be the order. Okay, this is the unique factorization. Okay, for example, look at to the 1300. 1300, if you write in factorization 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 13. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 25s are 100, 100 into 13, you will get 1300. So you can also write this factorization 2 square into 5 square into 13. Okay, then you can also change the order here, 5 square into 2 square into 13, you will get the same. 5 square is 25, 25 into 2 into 2, you will get the 25 into 2 is 50, 50 into 2 is 100, 100 into 30 is 1300. Okay, you will get the same thing if you write 13 into 2 square into 5 square. Okay, likewise you have to write. This is our first theorem 1.2 fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So if you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe for more updated videos. Thank you for watching.